friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this e-girl makeup look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. And if you're wondering about my contacts, these are the Miss Lens colored contact lenses, and if you would like to get your hands on them, you can use the link in my description box and use my code AliCake for 20% off. And with my palette here, so I'm going into this purple right here, and I'll be putting that in the right here. So after I put that pastel purple, I'm going into this blue right here, this blue, and I'll be putting it right on the lid. And I have hooded eyes, so I will be dragging it a little higher up, so you get to see the blue. Okay. So now I'm going to draw some winged liner, and I'm starting from my waterline, my underwater line, and drawing. Now I'm going to draw some fake eyelashes at the bottom of my eye. Now I'm putting some white eyeliner on my waterline. Take this color right here and put it in my inner corners. Okay, so now I'm going to do two little hats on each side of my face. So you're basically just making a V and then filling in the hat. Now I'm going in with some clear lip gloss. Okay girlies, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.